Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto by Harry, and in this video we are going to talk about price prediction of IOST USDT. So as you guys can see, IOST is currently sitting at 0.04501 and it has almost surged 70% from its support from this 200 EMA over here. Okay. So before we start the video, I will like to invite you guys to my Telegram channel where I post constant market updates. For example, I posted a BTC USDT update today, and I even shared a list of gems to accumulate in 2022. So make sure to check this list out, and let's start the analysis. So IOST, in my opinion, has had a reversal over here because the volume over here was 8.96 billion IOST, and that's a huge volume. So that shows that we have had a reversal, and let's see where we can enter into IOST and how we can proceed with the trade setups over here. So I have already marked the supports and resistances of IOST on my chart, so it gets very convenient for me to teach stuff in this way rather than applying supports and resistances when during the video. So the immediate support to the downside for IOST is at 0.04124. This is the immediate support to the downside for IOST, and the next support after the second support to the downside is at 0.0380. Okay, the immediate resistance to the upside is at 0.048 and then 0.057. These are the immediate resistances to the top side. A lot of people question me that where to enter, because most people, when a coin pumps, they start buying, they start forming into a coin, and that's very wrong as a trader. You guys need to control your emotions while investing, and it's your utmost responsibility to trade with risk, trade and manage risk. That's very important for any trader. Okay, so let me shift to 4-hour time frame, and as you guys can see, IOST is currently getting a downtrend, not a downtrend to be honest, but it has plunged below this support. So the next support to the downside, as mentioned earlier, is at 0.041. Okay, so if you guys are planning to enter into IOST right now, then I will suggest you guys to buy at these support 1 and 2. Don't enter at one support. I will suggest you to DCA. So our entry will be at 0.041 and 0.038. But let's say if you have already bought IOST somewhere over here or are sitting at break even, where can IOST go in a couple of days? That's the question. In my opinion, IOST is going to have a retest of at least this support. This support needs to be retested because we are going up from this point over here, and we have almost done 100% over here. So whatever goes up has to come down also. So IOST, in my opinion, since BTC is right now in a retest mode also towards its support of $45,000, I think IOST can go over here at 0.041, and if this doesn't holds up, then we can go below this level and we can retest 0.038. okay. After having a retest of these supports below, I think we will have a trend continuation to upwards if in case this 200 EMA holds. If we lose this 200 EMA, then things are going to go south again, because most of the time this 200 EMA, when the price action is above this 200 EMA, it refers to a uptrend. Okay, so here we were in downtrend, like it was a short-term downtrend, and Here we were in a downtrend also. Now we are at up, like we are at the top of this 200 EMA. So you guys should be using EMAs to identify the macro trend, the micro trend based on the time frame, and I will suggest you guys to buy at these supports. And if you guys have already bought that, make sure if you guys have already bought IOST somewhere over here, make sure to place a stop loss and manage the risk properly. And if I was you, my trade setup will look something like this. I will average out between these supports. I will place a stop loss of 15%. So stop loss below this wick. So it will look somewhere like this. And my risk to reward ratio will be almost 3% because we can expect anything from IOST right now due to the surge of this volume. So the targets to the upside remain 0.057, 0.064, and there's another target to the upside, and that's 0.069 over here. So these are the targets to the upside: 0.057, 0.064, and 0.069. And this is our target also, 0.04840. And the supports to the downside for IOST are 0.041, 0.038, and this is our stop loss, 0.03. Okay, so make sure guys, if you have entered into IOST, place a stop loss. If you guys haven't entered into IOST right now, wait for the market to react. Don't FOMO your money into these coins which are, you know, pumping 30, 40, 50, 60% a day. You have to have patience, and it's very important. I will meet you guys with another video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.